Greetings to my new recruits, and welcome back to my returning legion. I am Nicaris Plotterborn, mother of printers, queen of inkjets, provider of paper, swapper of toner, and remover of jams. I am here today under royal decree to inform you of perils and principles of printing in House Stuckman. Halt! Who prints there? As you know, a Lannister always pays their debts. As such, you must establish a print account with Arts and Architecture Information Technology. There will be 2 designated times to register in House Stuckman, provided you prove your allegiance to Penn State with your student identification card. If you refuse to comply, you must venture to the realm of Borlandia, beyond the wall, and present fealty to Sir Rogerius and his fellow IT Watchers of the Wall. Once you have received the 7 blessings and a print account, you will have access to print on all of the printers and plotters throughout the land, located on the 2nd and 4th floors. Keep in mind, you will owe the Iron Bank of the Bursar's office different amounts for printing in black and white, color, and plotting on my children, Drogon, Rigel, Viserys, Plotric Payne, and Harry Plotter. Your printing costs will be deducted monthly from your student bursar account. For more information about billing, visit the website of the 7 Kingdoms, aait.psu.edu. In an unfortunate set of circumstances in which one of my children misbehaves, scorches your print, eats your goat, or begins to smoke, you may require a print reimbursement. Find the form on the website, fill it out completely, and deliver it by Raven to Lady Karen of House McNeil in the main office. Installing print packages on your personal laptop is much like installing the proper ruler on the Iron Throne. There's only one way. You must visit uniprint.sala.psu.edu and navigate across the narrow sea, preferably not on a Greyjoy ship, to download and install the printers and plotters on your computer. Once the printers are on your laptop, you are able to send a print job. To print a document, select the printer you want to print to, and you will get a pop-up that asks you to fill in your print ID and password, and then the print job goes to the printer and prints. The printers are already installed on the studio computers. You can then pick up your print job at the designated printer. For plotting, and I don't mean against me, seek step-by-step recommendations by consulting Peter Baelish or referring to our print tip posters located throughout the building, or visit our website. Once you have familiarized yourself with these steps, you are ready to print. After you select print on your computer, the command travels to release stations where you must release your print on the floor on which you are printing. You have to log into the release station with your print ID and password. Here you will see your account information and past charges. Here you will also find your print job. Before you release your print, be sure to make sure my dragon isn't hungry. It needs to have enough paper and that it is ready and awake. If you see a message that ink is expired, you can ignore that as if it were a second son with the claim to the Iron Throne. Be sure to collect your prints after your print job has finished. If there are any issues or problems, contact our Dothraki print assistants. We are always looking for new recruits in exchange for print credit and protection by your Khaleesi. You will be fully trained as a member of our army, and the skills will be useful for your future career as a member of the army of the ruler of the 7 Kingdoms. contact me by Raven at aait-help@psu.edu. For further printing assistance, you may contact the help desk during business hours. For specific instructions on how to feed my dragons new rolls of paper, see our tutorial videos listed on our website. You may find yourself experiencing encounters with white walkers, also known as blue screens of death. For computer hardware, mouse, or keyboard issues, as well as any software problems, contact the help desk in Borlandia. A word of advice from your queen. I encourage you to use Drogon, the page-wide. Drogon plots quickly, and you can also scan large format to email, which is preferred for pinup boards, battle maps, and house banners, up to 39.5 inches. For more information about custom sizes, billing information, print tips, royal decrees, death by combat rules, and a list of plotter video tutorials, you know where to go. We wish you a productive academic year. Dracarys.